Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Welcome back for another one of my designer series paper reveals. This is the Penguin Playmates 12 by 12 designer series paper, and this is one of the free celebration items that you can earn through the month of August and September with a $50 order. It does coordinate with the fabulous Penguin Playmates suite in the mini catalog too. This paper pack is so super cute and so fun because each of these patterns that has a bold, playful pattern with the little animals and the snow mates and everything. The opposite side is all of these stripes and snowflakes and dots. So even if you don't care for like the big bold patterns for all of your projects, you can always use the back side for all those other ones. And that makes it so convenient to be able to use all throughout the year. Because I know I probably won't be using sledding and snowmen in July, but I would so use these fabulous stripes and polka dots and everything in the month of July or any other month that's not winter time. So it's super, super fun and versatile for that reason. I'm gonna go through each of these sheets to show you what it looks like as a full 12 by 12 sheet, since the catalog just has that small little swatch and you don't get to see how fabulous it is because, hello, it's adorable. So I'm gonna go through each sheet and be sure to pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll let you know what my favorite one is at the end. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite one? I will say my favorite one is probably this one here. I just think it's so super cute, and the pattern is not too large to where you can't use it on a card and have it take off a lot of the images. But I'm also loving these polka dots and this stripe here. But I do love these two here because I think they're great masculine prints too. So I think I'll be using a lot of this paper, and I'm so, so excited to earn it for free through Sale-A-Bration. So don't forget, Sale-A-Bration is August and September, and this is a while supplies last item, so make sure to order early and get this paper as soon as you can. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for lots of great crafty card making ideas. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and check out other fabulous designer series paper reveals in the playlist below, or some of the technique videos. I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day and happy stamping. Bye-bye.